In this video, you'll learn how to get articles when they're not immediately available in the database you're searching in. When you find an article but the PDF or HTML link isn't there, click on the Check for Full Text link. This link will take you to ClickSearch. First, sign in if prompted. If the library has the journal, you'll see links in the View Online section. Click a link and it'll open the article. Then you can download it, print it, or save it. When you click Check for Full Text and see how to get it, that means the library does not have immediate access to the article, but we can still get it for you. First, sign in if prompted. Then you'll see two links. Click on Request this article through ILLiad, and the library will get it through Interlibrary Loan for you. In 2 to 3 days, you'll get an email with instructions on how to download your article. You can also click on Try Google Scholar to see if the article is freely available on the web. You'll see an HTML or PDF link if it is. To learn more about Interlibrary Loan and how to create an ILLiad account, check out the Introducing Interlibrary Loan and ILLiad video in the Library Basics playlist. If you run into problems using the Check for Full Text link, please contact us. We are happy to help.